Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off notifications for a Facebook post on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to the Facebook website. Step 2. Locate the post for which you want to turn off notifications and click on the three dots menu located above the post. Step 3. From the list of options, select Turn off notifications for this post. By selecting this option, you will no longer receive notifications for this particular post. And just like that, you've successfully turned off notifications for the Facebook post. Remember, this method allows you to control your notification settings for individual posts, ensuring a more personalized Facebook experience. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.